Alright, I finally found it. The Dover Impulse glass. Listen to this. Nice and high pitched on that indicator hanging from the ceiling. Not so high pitched on the floor passing indicator. That's so cute, I love it. Usually in Western Washington, we don't have to get excited about Dover impulses by any stretch of the imagination. But this is a cool one. I love that. And it just drops right down into Macy's. Literally just drops into Macy's. That shit's funny. Where's the, oh yeah, you can watch the fucking, whatever those are, the levelers or something. Normally I would not trust elevators that have dual center open doors, but I think I can give this one a pass. Glass all around, of course. I was trying to look up where this one was in the mall, and so, oh, hi. And I went on YouTube to try to find it, and I guess it said it's installed in '92. Here's your impulse buttons. Literally, we see them all over Washington, nothing special about them. Here's an indicator that's burned out a little bit. Wow. Burned out everywhere except LL, huh? And it's only got one L. Nice. Alright, well, let's roll back up, I guess. I was looking all over trying to find this thing. Oh yeah, I never captured the fucking, the wheelie boys. I guess I'll just be looking out this way. Doink. It's an interesting elevator, this one. Oh, hey, shaft view. Come on, focus. Thank you. And let's try to get this. It's a neat fella. That's it.